Hi everyone, Yaku from tutortouch here, and in this video I'll be going over some features that will assist tertiary and secondary institutions with lesson planning when everything is moving online. tutortouch allows you to present a lesson in front of the classroom through a Zoom/Teams call or by simply recording the panel and sending it to your students. This panel runs in 4K resolution and it also has its own built-in sound system. So no need for any extra speakers or messy cables. tutortouch interactive 4K panels runs on two different operating systems. The first and the standard operating system is Android, and you can add a computer that allow you to run Windows. I am currently working on a 75-inch unit. However, we do have a 65 and an 86-inch unit available. The computer improves the capability of the panel as well as make the panel so much more compatible with any program or device. This is an Intel i5 8th generation computer and has a built-in 120 gig SSD hard drive, which means it's extremely fast. With the computer, you can stream anything as well as record anything with Capture. Capture is our full-fledged video editing and recording software that allows you to record the panel as a whole, as well as any peripherals, would it be an external microphone or a webcam to add picture in picture. So once everything is set up, it's as simple as pressing the record button, start sharing your screen, and then everything you do on the panel will be shared to your students as well as be recorded for sharing at a later stage. As a small example, I just want to showcase that it does record Internet Explorer, for instance YouTube, and you can combine this with our note program to make annotations over and above everything to point out certain things on the panel. Once you're done, you can save this as an image and send it off to your students, or simply press on the mouse icon and go back to the computer. Note also comes with the following different subject matters: chemistry, physics, math, and English, which will make lesson planning a breeze. Alright, so once you're done with your lesson and you're happy with the content, it's as simple as stop sharing your screen and then stopping the recording for all. Now, this will manipulate the recording into an MP4 format, which is widely recognized, and then you can either export it as is onto any of the online drives, or if you're not happy, go into the edit side of the software where you can edit down the track accordingly. So, for instance, let's say you want to take out a little bit of dead air in the beginning of the video, or perhaps you want to take out a part in the middle of the video. It allows you to do that. You can add some effects like transitioning effects between your cuts, a zoom effect if you want to point out something on the panel, add text or watermark. And then once you're done, it's as simple as pressing the export button, saving it onto any of the online drives, or saving it onto the computer itself. The computer also allows you to run the Microsoft Office suite. And luckily for us, Microsoft has implemented the touch feature throughout the suite, and you can use the 20 touch of the panel in PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. As a short demonstration, I just want to quickly show you how you can edit a program with a Word document with the touch feature. So if you have the ink editor active, let's say you want to combine two words or just separate them, you can also add some content by simply writing it onto the panel. All right, moving on from there, we also have two different mirroring/connections type software. The first one is Connect, which sits on the computer side, and then we have ScreenShare Pro, which sits on the Android side of the software. So Connect allows you to connect any mobile device, would it be Android or iOS, as long as it has a QR scanner. So a Chromebook will also work. Now, what this application allows you to do is it allows you to upload images onto the panel as well as manipulate the panel from your phone. So let's say I upload an image of a microphone, and then if I activate screen remote to desktop and I move anything on the panel, it will or draw anything on the panel, it will be subsequently moved and drawn for you to see. All right, moving on from there, I'm going to go over to ScreenShare Pro, which sits on the Android side of the panel. ScreenShare Pro allows you to connect any mobile device alongside any laptop, and then that will subsequently split the screen accordingly. So as you can see, I've already installed the ScreenShare Pro dongle onto this laptop, and as soon as I press the button, that will share my content to the panel for me to manipulate. Now, if I would have to add another device, it will split the screen down the middle, and then you can see both of the displays accordingly. So by inputting the 6-digit code at the top there, and then start sharing my screen, it will split this panel down the middle. Now, if I would have to add another device, it will split this panel down the middle horizontally, and then you will have screen 3 and screen 4 at the bottom. All right, so with all of that being said, I would like to once again encourage the use of the computer, as it makes the panel so much more compatible with any program or device. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow, like, and share. My name is Yaku from tutortouch.